Hey guys, welcome to the Perplexing. My name is Chris and I'm here to teach you video editing, 3D animation. Come here, man. Game development on this platform.
So today I am going to solve some basic doubts of many people's. I will tell you from how you can start video editing and animation and which type of softwares is required for these things and how you can get an idea to create something new and attractive without the help of any tutorials. So without any further letters, let's get started. So our first and basic question that everyone asks, what we have to learn first, video editing or 3D animation? So the clear answer is video editing, because there are parent and child combination in 3D animation and video editing. It's very common that if you are learning video editing, then it's automatically work on the basics of your 3D animation. And if you start with 3D animation, it will be hard to get progress and it will also destroy your basics. So for the better results and progress, you can start with video editing. So now comes to our next doubt. The doubt is which software we can use to become a perfect video editor. So if you are thinking to become perfect, then I will suggest you to use VSDC video editor because it's free and its mirror version is Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you think how to learn it, then I will provide 10 to 15 tutorials of this editor on this channel. That's how you can start learning new things and trending creativities. And after you learn it, you can also buy its Pro Edition for more skills. Many creators say Filmora 9 is the best software. In my opinion, yeah, it is the best and easiest software for learning video editing. But if you want to be a proper video editor, then Filmora 9 is not sufficient. Because firstly, it's not a free package, and if you download its hacked and cracked version, then it also cannot fulfill all your needs like motion tracking and movement mapping and more. After this, if you are looking for the advanced features, then Sony Vegas Pro 17 is a good option for video editing, but you have to buy it. If you are a beginner or intermediate in video editing, then you can do HitFilm Express, HitFilm Pro, and instead of working with Premiere Pro, because these are totally free versions and it can easily increase your skills and abilities. And you can buy its Pro version for better editing and more features. Now in the last, if we talk about Premiere Pro, then it's a trendy and very high profile software because of features and interface which are totally amazing. But it's quite harder for the beginners because it can confuse you while working on it, and it can also very hard to learn the basics in it. So for the beginners, it's good to start with VSDC video editor and then you can go for HitFilm Pro and Premiere Pro. And in the last, if you think that what I tell you it's beneficial, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to videos and tutorials, you can also comment me on the comment section below the video. Thank you.